Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my video. So guys, if you are in Poland and if you are searching for a custard powder, right? Custard powder which we are using it for preparation of sweets, ice cream, etc. So guys, you have to pick this product from Vidronka, or you can find this product in other supermarket as well. So guys, if you are in Poland and if you need this product, then note down this product name. It costs you around 1 to 2 zloty for 20 grams. So I hope you like this video, and if you think this is informative, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.